Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful Christmas and New Year holiday. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I've got some trades open, and don't forget, right now the teams on the Crypto Guru team and the Magikraft team are giving thousands of dollars away in prizes, in New Year's, in Christmas gifts. So make sure you check it out. The links are all in the description. I'm going to show you in the video. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals, and these are the trade setups. Actually, I'll show you directly in the Telegram. So don't forget to follow me in the Telegram. The link is in the description, the Crypto Guru Alerts group. And you can see here, these were yesterday's, I was posting these yesterday. So we had Ethereum long. That trade is set. This trade is already active, already set on Ethereum at 1195, stop loss 1191. Take profit, it's risking $3.60 to make $38 per Ethereum, or 3%. With 10x leverage, it's 30%. That long is a $20,000 long, 17 Ethereum, using $1,100 margin. We'll jump into the technicals for that. And I've got a Bitcoin long also set up and shared. And Happy New Year, everyone. I hope you're having an amazing New Year's all over the world. We've got a Bitcoin long also set up, a 1.1 Bitcoin long, $20,000 of value. That long is set up like this, opening at 1652. 16,525, stop loss at 16,495, take profit at 16,922, which is beautiful. And I'm going to show you these. I also made a tweet. Check this out. I made a tweet about Andrew Tate. I'll show you that in a screenshot. But let's first go into the technicals for Bitcoin. We'll go deeper into it. So this is Bitcoin technicals. You can see we're having quite low volume and volatility during the New Year's holidays. We had this big spike yesterday down to 16,300 and then bounced back. On the 15 minutes, RSI it's heading up, which is good. It's showing bullishness, and we're getting a bounce off that trade. I think that trade didn't actually activate, or maybe no, look at that. It missed activating by literally wow, look at that. It didn't activate by a few cents, actually. It would be in the profits already. We came down to 16,526, and that trade was to activate at 16,525. So it was 40 cents off activating that trade, unfortunately. But that trade is still set. I would still take this same trade on Bitcoin. On the 15-minute, you can see here that we broke out of this downward channel. We tested it and now bouncing most likely towards 17,000. On the hourly, we're oversold as well. We're in this channel here. You can see that we're going between this channel here on Bitcoin, heading back towards 17,000. In my opinion, stochastic and RSI heading up. There's no divergences. There's a slight bullish divergence. Actually, we have a slight bullish divergence on Bitcoin. So that will be heading up. On the 4 hourly, we're oversold on the RSI, heading up towards the top of that channel. Let's look at the stochastic as well. On the stochastic, we are overbought on the 4 hourly. On the hourly, we're oversold. On the 15 minutes, we're also heading up as well. So we could have a rebound, but I would take the trade that I would take on Bitcoin is the same trade here. We have one resistance line here at 16,600, then the next one 16,900. I would take the same trade setup. You can open it like this, just slightly underneath this same trade setup. So opening the trade at 16,528, stop loss 16,498, take profit 16,925. It's risking $30 to make $396 without leverage. With 10x leverage, that'll be $3,960, which is beautiful. I'll share this in the Telegram, and I'll set this trade, and I'll share it in the Telegram as well. So I'm about to set this trade over on Bybit. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, in the description of the video down below, so you go down below, you can trade on Bybit. In the description down below, signing up to Bybit, you can get up to $30,000 of bonuses, and you can buy MCRT on there. You need to go into the description and use that link on Bybit to sign up to trade. So I'm going to show you that trade setup. So if you want to trade, you have to go down in the description down there, sign up to Bybit to trade, and then you can activate the trade. Now I'm going to set this trade on Bybit. So I've got that Bitcoin long set up, but now I got to modify it because it didn't trigger by that 40 cents. Crazy. It would already be being in the profits. It's a 20x leverage trade. It's going to open. We're going to open the trade at 16,528 and take profit 16,925. So 16,528. The trade will open. We're very close to opening, about $60 off. I'll do a $1,000 trade with 20x leverage. It's a $20,000 trade. Take profit will be set at 16,925 and stop loss 16,498. So 16,925 and 16,498. So I'm risking $36. Let's risk a little bit more, 950. Risking $94 to make $480. Risking $94 to make $480. Beautiful. On New Year's, there's very little volatility. So that trade is now, I'm going to open a long set. It's a 1.1 Bitcoin trade using $1,000 margin for a $20,000 trade. Confirm. That trade is now set on Bitcoin. Now let's go into Ethereum and see if we can, because Ethereum also would have made that movement up as well. Let's go into Ethereum. Ethereum looking bullish here. Just quickly off the top, like you can see here that we've got inverse head and shoulders W formation forming. And it just missed out. Ethereum trade just missed out as well by a few. It came down to 1,195 and the trade was set at 1,100. And it literally missed out by 56 cents. Unfortunately, we would have been already huge in the profits, but that's okay. I would still say that this W formation is forming. We got rejected here off this downtrend line. You can see here that this trend line got rejected, and it got rejected. It broke out but got rejected. So okay, I'll keep that trade set up because it will probably go down and then activate that. Oh, it looks actually bullish. Like we're gonna have. It looks like it's a bullish setup with a breakout of the symmetrical triangle. But I'll keep the same trade active. So it's opening the trade at 1,195, stop loss 1191, take profit 1233, risking $3 to make $38 per Ethereum, so 3% without leverage. With 10x leverage, it's $380. With 20x leverage, will be almost $700 of profits, which is beautiful. That's the trade I'll take on Ethereum. It's the same one that I already shared in the Telegram group. So if you go into the Telegram group, the link is in the description. I'll show you the link. So down below in the description of the video, go down, you can sign up to Telegram live alerts, free group. There's now 4,856 members in there, and you can trade Ethereum. I'll reshare that Bitcoin trade, and this same Ethereum trade is the one that I've set. So this same trade active, same trade setup for Ethereum. And I share my trades here when I'm not making videos. It's a free Telegram alerts group. Also, I made a post on Twitter just before. Let's see if I took a screenshot of it. I didn't take a screenshot of it. Okay, I'll show you on Twitter, but it's going to be on the site. I showed a tweet here. A guy, this is talking about Andrew Tate. 35,000 views on this tweet, 1,681 views. You can go and vote on Twitter as well to see. You can vote on Twitter to check that out as well. And don't forget, if you follow Magikraft, there's a lot of competitions. It's almost the end of 2022 and we want to wrap up with a big bang. We're giving away $1,000 to you for uploading a video of yourself playing and using Magikraft. We're going to choose winners with whoever shows video or pictures of them playing Magikraft. And the Magikraft action it can be now experienced on PC. It's on PC, iOS, and Android. Many people are winning MCRT every day. Now you can play on PC, Android, and iOS, and you can actually win MCRT. Cold fingers mean little when you're having fun with Magikraft. He's playing in the snow in the mountains. Happy New Year's, everyone from the Crypto Guru team and me, and Happy New Year's from the Magikraft team. These are all the characters that you can play in the game. This image looks amazing. Good job, team. This one, someone's playing Magikraft on their while eating pizza, and you can get MCRT it's on CoinMarketCap. It's on 13 different exchanges, slightly down today. It's just 30% down from the public price, and it's still up from the private seed rounds, which is amazing. During the bear market, we launched during the bear market. Other projects are down 90%. We're down 30% from the public launch, but the private sale is still up. We're ranked 753, $7.8 million market cap, 860,000 volume, with very little volume at the moment. The last 7 days, movement up and then almost full correction back down. You can get MCRT on these different exchanges. I'll show you the different exchanges. You can buy it on Bybit as well in the link in the description. But you can actually play already. You can play MCRT for, you can win MCRT. And MCRT is one of the popular, most bullish BNB projects in the last 24 hours. MCRT is up there, which is beautiful. What else do we got here? You can see we've got different NFT characters, people playing the game all over the world, people playing from PC, which is beautiful. I hope you all have an amazing New Year's, and don't get discouraged with these markets. We already survived the worst of the bear market already. It's been the most brutal bear market that we've had ever before. There was almost $20 trillion wiped from the stock and bond markets and around $2 trillion wiped from the crypto markets. It's the worst bear market I've ever seen in my 21-year trading experience. And we still managed to make money. If you followed me on November 11th, 2021, we sold out of all the crypto markets and the stock market. So we have a lot of cash. And now I'm starting to load up on Google, Meta, Tesla, MCRT, Bitcoin, Ethereum. So that's what I'm doing with my money. You have to do your own due diligence, not financial advice. This is what I'm doing, and I hope you're learning from me. Have an amazing year. What a year 2022 has been, and 2023 is going to be one epic year. And also comment down below, what are your 3 goals for 2023? What are your top 3 goals for 2023? One of my goals is to make Magikraft MCRT the most played game in the world, and it's the first real play to earn game that you can right now play on iOS, Android, and PC cross-platform. But my goal is to make it the most popular play to earn game and one of the biggest crypto projects in the world, where people can play and earn MCRT while they're playing, which is epic. Love you all. Have an amazing new year, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.